Hello, you beautiful people. Hello and welcome back to my channel, and welcome back if you're new. If you are new, please don't forget to hit subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. It really helps out my channel, or a thumbs down. That helps out my channel too if you didn't like this video. Please don't forget to turn that notification bell on, as well as next week is the start of ColourPop week, and we're starting off with this eye look using the Hocus Pocus palette, which I may or may not have fell in love with. So if you're interested in this eye look at all, or seeing what this palette is like in swatches and all that good stuff, then come back tomorrow for a brand new video. For my face kind of like base makeup, I've also got the ColourPop foundation and concealer on, which is coming on Friday for Foundation Friday as well, and I've got a lot to say about these two. That's all I'm going to say. So yeah, keep your eyes peeled next week, because there's going to be a brand new video every single day for ColourPop week. So turn that notification bell on so you don't miss any of them. Today we're going to be unboxing the Look Fantastic beauty box. I have just filmed this full video with my microphone turned off, so we're going to do all over again. So I do apologise if it is up quite late tonight. It's because I forgot to turn my microphone on, so I'm doing it all over again. You probably all know by now this retails for £15 a month. If you join for like a longer subscription, it can go to as little as £13. I also have a discount code. I will leave it linked down below for 10% off, and if you want to shop through my link down below as well, I'd really appreciate it. I basically get a little bit of commission if you shop through that link, but it'll be at no extra cost for yourself. I don't get any commission for the actual 10% off code, but it does help me to show the brand that you actually like these videos. So yeah, let's just get straight into it. I love the colour of this month's box. So this is just what she looks like. There's 6 products in this box, but when I did this video a second ago, when I just filmed it on with my microphone turned off, I realised I actually have an extra product in here that I'm not meant to have. So I don't really know how that kind of got in there, but I'm happy either way. But let's just get straight into it. Obviously, we always have the little book that tells you the products. It has like an overview of what products are in here, and then it also has a breakdown of the products in a bit more detail, and also how to use them as well. So let's get straight into it. So the first thing that caught my eye when I opened this box originally is the L'Oreal hand sanitizing gel. I love the shape of this. I think this is going to be really easy to kind of pop into your bag in comparison to like the big chunky ones as well. I really like little small, oh, you dropped it, little small dainty ones. This one's from a Bubble Tea. It's so much easier to pop into a bag. So yeah, obviously everyone's using this at the moment because of Corona. 125 millilitres, and I think it's kind of different for L'Oreal to kind of jump on it. Next up is something that I will definitely be trying tonight when I take this makeup off. This is the Vintage Cosmetics Company Soft Silicone Pad. So it has a little kind of suction pad on one end, and you can kind of hold it like this to be able to use it on your face. And it's basically saying to kind of wet this with some warm water, put your cleansing gel onto it, and then use it to kind of rub all over your face to kind of do like an exfoliation whilst also cleansing your face as well. I definitely need this for my nose area. I do talk about it a lot more in Friday's Foundation Friday that's coming up with the ColourPop foundation, and just the condition of my nose and my skin at the moment as well. So yeah, really excited to try this. I didn't actually know Vintage Cosmetics Company was still a thing. I remember them being about like years and years ago. I remember me working with them like back when maybe I was just starting uni, so many years ago as well, but super excited to try that. We have a product from This Works. This is their Stress Check Kind Hands. It's basically a kind of hand cream for dry and overwashed hands. Obviously, again, perfect for the current climate when a lot of people are washing their hands a lot more or using hand sanitizer a lot more. This is cruelty-free and vegan. It's paraben and sulfate-free as well. And obviously, it's designed to help to kind of repair the condition of your hands after you've been washing them a lot or using a lot of hand sanitizer. So obviously, it'll come in handy as well. Any hand creams, I've been putting them to one side. I've got a little tub ready to see my best friend. I'm seeing her a week tomorrow. She's a midwife, so obviously she's washing her hands a lot more than me and using hand sanitizer a lot more than me, who obviously is the majority of the time working from home. So yeah, I'll give this to Laura and put it into the little tub for her if she wants to take some to work and give out to colleagues, and that's entirely up to her. The next one is when I read the top of it, I was like, okay, so this is a peeler mask. It's from the brand E-Cooking, which is meant to be like food for your skin. and it's vegan. It says to use for between 5 to 10 minutes and then to add moisturiser afterwards. When I was reading the brochure in my video that I've just filmed when my microphone wasn't turned on, it was saying in the brochure that you can't really use this before you go out in the sun. So if you are going to use this, if you do get this box and you are going to use this, make sure that you put it on as a nighttime mask and put your moisturiser on afterwards, and then obviously go to sleep, because if you go out in the sun, I'm guessing it makes your skin sensitive because it's like a peeling mask to help with like exfoliating your skin. But the thing that made me giggle when I kind of picked this up is that it says, don't panic if your skin turns red, it means it's working. I would panic. I would definitely panic because I react to stuff as well. So this is just what that looks like, but that's good to bear in mind because I react to things really, really kind of quickly and really easily as well. So I would think that I'm reacting to that, but maybe I'm not. Maybe that's just how it's meant to be. The next one is one that you would have got this or a different product. So this is the Burt's Bees lip balm. You could have got this in the cucumber, the cherry, or the watermelon scent. Or what you could have got is the Daily Concepts multifunctional soap sponge. I don't know if you can see it up here. I personally probably would have used the lip balm more than the soap sponge as well. This one's in the scent cucumber mint. I'm not going to open it because I have, let's have a little look. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 lip balms at the moment, and 1, 2, 2 or 3 of them aren't open and 4 of them are open. So I won't be opening any more lip balms until I've used some of the open ones up, but that'll definitely come in handy. I always have dry lips. You can see it on my lips at the moment with the little darker patches. That's dry skin that won't come off, and it's just kind of chilling. Then the last product that was in this box is the Dr. Botanicals Kiwi Superfood Cooling Eye Serum. This is again vegan friendly, cruelty free, natural skincare, and it says to apply in the morning and evening onto clean dry skin around the eye area. One of the things that I was reading about this, because obviously it says it has like kiwi fruit oil to help to maintain moisture in the skin. It says it has like high levels of vitamin C, which helps to reduce the appearance of skin infections and appearance of oily skin. For me, I don't know whether this is just me, but my eye area never really gets oily. So for me, I don't know whether this would be helpful or not, because it might dry it out a little bit, whereas I need more moisture in that area. My under eye area is really, really dry. So yeah, I'm not entirely sure whether that's going to be one that will work for me, but just bear that in mind if you have dry eyes as well. And then the random product that was in here that I don't think was meant to be in here, well, it's definitely not in the booklet anywhere at all. So I think this had just accidentally got put into my box. But this is the Comfort Zone Hydro Memory Cream Gel, and it just says it's a 24-hour double hydration cream gel with a double hydrating effect of macro hyaluronic acid. It sounds perfect for me because my skin has been so dry. It says it leaves your skin visibly hydrated for 24 hours and smooth and soft. It has an innovative water-based texture which gives an immediate feeling of freshness, and it says it's recommended for normal and mixed skin types as well. So yeah, I wasn't expecting that to be in here, but super happy that it is, because obviously it's for dry skin and my skin has been so dehydrated recently. So yeah, if you want to know a little sneaky preview of what's going to be in the June box, it does have it on the back of the brochure in case you're ever wondering. So it says, our June box delves into the importance of knowing exactly what's in your skincare products and your beauty products, and the impact that this can have not only on our skin, but also on the world around us. It sounds like it's going to be quite a like eco-friendly, like only skin loving ingredients kind of box, which is really good. It says it'll have the Balanced Meat pre and probiotic cleansing milk in there. So it's a lightweight milk cleanser. It's meant to remove all traces of pollution, SPF, and even eye makeup, which you don't really expect for like a cleansing milk. Well, I personally wouldn't. I wouldn't think it'd be strong enough to get off your eye makeup. But it says for a complexion that is left calmer, clearer, and brighter, thanks to its signature bioactive pre and probiotic complex as well. And that's worth £8. So it'll be interesting to see what else is going to be in the June box as well. And it looks like they're bringing out a limited edition Moroccan oil box and also a Mankind Father's Day box as well. I hope you can see that my lights aren't reflecting it. At the moment as well, they do have a Iconic London box, which is unbelievable. It's £40. My code won't work on it, but just to let you know, because I was so tempted to buy it myself, but I'm literally skinned this month from buying makeup and a new wardrobe as well. So if you are interested, it's got like a full face palette, it's got an eyeshadow palette in it, the lip gloss, it's got the liquid blusher, it's got the mascara, and it's also got a mini of their like illuminating setting spray as well. The only thing that's missing really is the bronzer and the highlighter drops. I think that's all that they really do, and obviously brushes and stuff. But absolutely amazing for £40 for Iconic London. So good. A couple of my friends have bought it, and obviously banging as well. But yeah, thank you so much to Look Fantastic for sending this box across to me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'm going to quickly edit this video and try and get it up straight away, because it's like 8:30 that I'm finishing filming this after I had to film it twice as well. And hopefully we'll see you tomorrow for the start of Colourpop week and for the Hocus Pocus palette, which is actually going to be a collab with Jodie, Lizzie and Makeup with Alex Kate as well. So really excited for tomorrow's video. Thank you so much for my patrons for being absolutely lovely. If you want to join my Patreon community, it literally starts as little as £1 a month. I will leave all the information linked down below if you want to go check it out. And yeah, thank you so much, and I hopefully will see you tomorrow for the Hocus Pocus video. Love you so much. Bye.